If you have an Etsy store, you can now connect it to your Constant Contact account and pull in your customers' email addresses to create segmented contact lists. In this short video, we'll show you how it all works. To get started, click the Integrations tab. From there, click on the Etsy block and then click Connect. Now, you do need permission to email your Etsy customers. That being said, select how you'll get permission from your contacts. Either select the option to set up a customer opt-in email or confirm that you have prior consent. For this video, let's set up a customer opt-in email. You can preview your email to see what it looks like, or click Edit to make any changes. When you're finished, click Activate Email to turn your customer opt-in email on. Then, click Continue to Etsy. To finish connecting your Etsy account, click Generate Your Code. A new tab will open, bringing you to Etsy. Enter your credentials and then log in. Click Allow Access and then copy your code and head back to Constant Contact. Paste your code into the box and then click Complete Integration. Your Etsy customer information is now being imported into segmented lists. This may take some time, but you'll receive an email when the process is complete. And that's how easy it is to connect your Etsy account to Constant Contact.